5 elements of promotion discussed so far, there are 2 other traditional elements such as personal selling and word of mouth. These 2 elements are most appropriate for promoting and selling business-to-business products and services. In conclusion, someone somewhere said, and I quote, "Doing business without promoting or promotion is like a guy winking at a girl in the dark. You're the only one that knows what you're doing. No one else does." No matter how good your product or service is, in today's world, you need to promote. You need to create awareness. You need to stimulate interest. You need to motivate consumers to desire your product. And ultimately, you need to give them incentive to try, to buy, and to patronize you consistently. But of course, like I said at the beginning of this course, there are too many elements involved in promoting. And so promoting a business today is complex, evolving, and susceptible to duplication, waste, and inefficiency. There is also the possibility of getting customers confused when promotion is not properly delivered. As they say in marketing, a confused customer never buys. A good way to approach promotion is integration. An integrated marketing communication helps you to deliver a consistent and powerful message to your target audience. From the presentation you have just listened to, I am confident that you have gained insight, learned ideas, as well as proven step-by-step approaches for designing an effective integrated marketing campaign, one that is able to help you and your organization unlock maximum return on your company's marketing investment. Thank you for taking this course, and I wish you the very best of luck in your marketing activities.